Alright, today I'm stripping down a unit. Figured I'd slap on the new GoPro, give it a try while I'm doing this. Pretty straightforward, especially one that's just old. Four screws on that guy. Motor pops right out. Use my dikes on that little guy right there. See inside, compressor, wires. Yeah, these things are very simple to strip. And yeah, my yard's a mess right now. I know. Million freaking screws. Comes right off. It's crazy how there's almost nothing in this thing. Throw that in the recycling guy there. Pop that off. Whole thing just pops right off right there. Get my crappy dikes. Snip them at the compressor. I'll cut all the wire off later. Oh, wire caught down there. And that's literally 85% of the stuff right there. This is just the normal AC. For the heat pump, it had a little more. Two screws right there. And that frees pretty much all that up. Bottom here. A couple screws holding the coil in. A couple screws holding that guy in. Little grill. That's actually... Huh. Maybe I'll hang on to that. It's kind of funny. Old York. If I ever build a shed here, I'll have to do that. Put that on the inside. Should be these two. Holy crap, it is hot out. It's like 90-something degrees, high humidity. Oh, look at that. I didn't even notice that. It's multiple sections. Cool. And this thing, this is just like a dust screen protector, and a lot of people don't even have that shit anymore. Well, I could probably just get this in the recycling bin. And that should just pop right up. That whole side's got nothing. It's got the two guys there. I'm just gonna make it easy on me. Snip that right there. And sad thing is, that's it. It's literally that easy. And then that goes to the indoor, which I got the coil right there, another compressor right there. But yeah, that's pretty much stripping that down. And then all you gotta do is unbolt those. And that's pretty much it for these little guys here. Compressors have copper in them. You can cut them open, or you can take them in as is. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then if you're doing the coils here, once you get all the plastic off, this off, you take a Sawzall, cut right in between the metal here. Little macaronis pop right off. They give you more money if you just bring them the aluminum and the copper, cut all the steel off. But yeah, pretty straightforward. Just got to clean up now and be ready for the scrapyard this weekend. All right, thanks for watching.